What's good, my people? Back again with another video. As always, just before I get into this one, can I just request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. It goes a long way, supports the channel a lot. You know, there's a few targets that we need to smash, so let's get that. Enough waffling, let's get straight into this pair of New Balances. You know, standard New Balance box, don't need to really talk about that too much. So this is a U9060NRI, size 10.5, UK, USA 11, Euro 45, all that good stuff. So we get straight into this pair. Got the New Balance tissue, of course. Yes. So if you've seen the other video, I've got the other pair already, the kind of suede and grey pair, but this pair came out and I thought, yeah, that's a bit of me. A leather and mesh mix, lovely, triple black. So we'll go straight into the colours. The colours used at the bottom is just grey and black, standard. On the other pair I think this is red, I can't remember, to be honest. The midsole's kind of funny, kind of funky, it's a bit different, but it's just black and grey really, kind of dark type of grey shade. On the back we've got this plastic, I like to call it a spoiler because of cars, but it's not, but that's what I'm going to call it. Then we've got that leather on the upper, behind the New Balance logo, and then all around. We've got a touch of nubuck here at the front, kind of around the toe box sections. It's not a lot. Not sure why they did that. It does look quite good though. You know, the kind of different contrast. Then obviously the front, we've got that leather and mesh, leather and mesh, and then on the inside, as always, we've got the New Balance logo, but it's stitched in, so the N. We've actually got some writing there. A-B-Z-O-R-B, absorb. Yeah. And then what's different about this pair is the laces. I don't know if you can really tell, but they're not normal smooth laces. They're like, they come like this. It's kind of different, kind of weird, but I like them. I think if you want to wear the shoe in that kind of loose way, they won't come undone, because look, you have to really pull them. So if you want to wear them the loose way, you can. Yeah, triple black pair. I really like this pair, the leather. You know, I've got the other pair which I really like. I've got the grey pair. Now this pair, there is a few other pairs, a few other colorways New Balance have that are really nice in this. Like they got a triple white leather version, so you know, you can't go wrong with all black and all white, you know, those classic colorways. But yeah, I really like this shoe. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. I went true to my New Balance size for these. I hate giving out size advice, to be honest, but I'll try. If it doesn't work, I'll apologize. So I went true to my New Balance size. They do fit slightly different to the other pair, so this fits a bit more snug. The other pair fits standard. Some people go down half a size because they are quite chunky and quite big, but if you don't mind, just go straight to your New Balance size. But a lot of people do half size down. But yeah, that's all for me for this review. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other videos. Plenty of content. Wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot of this, and I'll also post it separately. Take care, my people.